Ado Mukha Vrksasana, handstand, or upside down tree. I demonstrated 3 different variations, and I'll take you through them now. So let's start with just finding where we need to be in our torso and in our upper body. So it's easy to explain by just pressing here against the wall. So trying to make this box shape. So make sure your butt is not sticking out. We're not doing this for a hamstring stretch. Kind of pull the tail under and really push with your arms. So the shoulders are elevated, or they're lifted, but then they're rolling away from your ears, right? So just keep that feeling, really straighten the arms. Make sure your ribs aren't collapsing. Pull them in, tail under, and just feel how strong that is. And then from there, rise up. So that's the feeling we want in our arms. So we're gonna turn, we're gonna put the hands on the mat and come into a down dog. So just adjust your hands so you feel comfortable in a down dog with your heels up the wall, if that's possible. And it may be you just stay here. Or if you wanted to try, we're gonna walk up the wall. So take the foot pretty high up the wall to start, and then just lift up and come into the pose. So take the tail down and push towards the wall, tail down, right? Ribs in. We don't want to be splaying, right? It's a strong pose, push. And then to come down, you could just step down. You could also take little steps along the way. So just play with that. And if that was successful, and you wanted to try the L shape, it's a little different. You're gonna place your hands, maybe they're a little closer to the wall, about a leg length, and try and get your shoulders over your wrists as best you can. And then like you would in a handstand, right? And then you walk up and try and maintain that, keeping the tail under and the ribs in. You could play around with lifting one leg just to see what that feels like. And down, and then lifting the other. And down, and then slowly, with control, coming down. And if you really wanted to, and you felt like it's in your body, you could try the kick up, but keep it really light. And if it doesn't feel right, don't do it. So just place your hands, and one foot in front, one foot in back, and you'll know which one. Your body will prefer one. Try to get your shoulders over your wrists, right? And then we're gonna really push with this front leg, right? This leg is just lifted. So just try gentle hops. Hop, keeping your gaze. Maybe you make it to the wall, right? And if you do, lift up, pull the ribs in, tail under. And you can keep your gaze between your hands. And to come down, just come down slowly, pushing. I'm really pushing here. Push, and then come down slowly. Whatever variation you want to try, just make sure you feel that strong foundation, it feels safe, and enjoy it. Give it a go.